How to stop Google Maps going to sleep on iPhone when plugged in. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Now, find and tap on your desired destination on the map. From the location card that appears at the bottom, tap on the Directions button. This will show the directions from your location. Now, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. In the Display and Brightness menu, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. Here, change the settings to the Never option. This means the screen will stay on unless you manually lock it. Following these steps, you can easily stop Google Maps from going to sleep on an iPhone when plugged in. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.